Welcome back to MPV Auto. The Mitsubishi Galant VR-4 has been around for a long time in the world of cars, especially in rally racing. The Galant VR-4 was first released in 1987 as a high-performance version of the Galant. It was made to meet the Group A homologation rules of the World Rally Championship. The engine in this type is a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with four-wheel drive and four-wheel steering. At that time, it was one of the most powerful cars in its class, with an engine that could make 300 horsepower. The VR-4 won several rally events, including ones in Malaysia and Australia. In 1990 and 1991, it also dominated the Ivory Coast Rally. Mitsubishi stopped making the WRC Galant VR-4 in 1992 and put most of its attention on the Lancer Evolution, which used a lot of the VR-4's technology. But Mitsubishi kept making the Galant VR-4 until the early 2000s as a speed car for the general market. The 8th generation Galant had the last version of this car, which had a twin-turbo V6 engine. The model has a better gearbox and features like active yaw control that make it more stable and easy to drive. There has been no official word that the Galant VR-4 will be back in 2025 in a more updated form. Fans are hoping that Mitsubishi will bring the model back as a performance car or an electric car. But the company is currently focused on SUVs and electric cars, as well as bringing back its other sports car lines. Because of the picture, we can only show it as a drawing. We hope that it will serve as an example for future models. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.